How to find Mixergy promo code. First of all, let's navigate and open a web browser that you use for searching. Once you are in, use the search bar to find Mixergy promo code. Once you get the search results, find a website that provides best deals or offer with maximum discount. Once you find the website, click on the URL to open it. Here you will find different deals and offers that provide discount. So select one that you find best and a pop-up will appear on the screen with promo code. Copy this promo code and then navigate to the Mixergy website or open mobile app for subscription. Log into your account and when you are going to purchase a plan, apply the copied promo code for discount on total amount. And that's it. This is how you can find Mixergy promo code. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.